Hi everybody, I am doing a flip and drag over an old pour. I've had this other pour sitting around for quite a while to see if I wanted to keep it or not. It's one where I use the airbrush. It has really beautiful lacing, but it's so light, it's just hard to see. So there's just not enough oomph to it. So today I'm using the Arteza pouring acrylic colors. I just got a new set of them, so I do have white. But I'm going to try not to use a ton of white in this. I've got neon purple, neon pink, phthalo blue, mid yellow, and forest green. I'm going to pour them into this 2-ounce cup. Get started. Yeah, I am going to use it. Let's start with this. So my true flip and drag, I would have covered it in white first, but I didn't want that for this. And this is why these paints, although amazing, are not really financially feasible if you use a lot of one single color. Because that one's empty now already. So what I think I'm going to do is add more yellow. Wow. That's pretty. Oh my, I hope that stays like that. I'm going to have to open another white. And I'm just going to pour. Just gotta get it to tilt off all the sides. try and do a hard tilt because it is not wanting. These gentle little tilts are not helping. So hold on. We're going to do big tilt. There we go. Gosh, these are beautiful colors, and they're going to stay like this. That's what's so special about these paints. Except that it's not going to tilt to the other side, I don't think. Slowly, 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 slowly. Maybe. Let's tilt just straight upright. My God, the vividness is unreal. Need it to come off. Hang on, corner that's right at me. It's gonna need some help. So I've used up almost 2 white ones. So, but the colors have lasted me a long time. It's just the white. But I have used my other just homemade white and it works. So that's good. I'm going to touch up the sides. I'm going to leave the sides drippy because they're drippy in the colors, and since this is wood, it will be resined. It is so pretty. God, these colors are just amazing. Alright, the whole top is covered. The sides are fine. Excuse me. Oh, this is the resin I talked about that I need to do a video on, faux rizzle. Check it out. That yellow that I added was stunning. And oftentimes that would have ruined a painting. But these colors stay separate somehow. They don't turn into mud. I don't know how. I wish I did, because then I could make it myself in big batches. But I don't. And in Osborne 4 will get you a discount on Arteza products. Their regular paints are amazing. That's pretty much all I use anymore. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye!